Right, in front of you we have the yoke. It's like a steering wheel of your car. You turn it to the left, aircraft goes left. Turn it to the right, aircraft goes right. You push it forward, aircraft goes down. Pull it backward, aircraft flies up. Okay, here we have the engine quadrant. Okay, thrust levers. Engine number 1, engine number 2. You can move it to my hand. Okay, you can see the engine revs up, and then you will eventually move forward. Okay, you don't move now because I already put parking brake. You can reduce, and we slow down the plane. This is the reverse thrust. You can pull this up. It redirects the thrust to forward and slow down the plane on landing. This is the speed brake on top part of the wing. It's automatic. On landing we just pull and put it here. Once you land, it will automatically come up. Okay, that's the auto brakes on the wheel. We're gonna use it on landing as well. So for landing we're gonna put on 3. The flaps, okay, we're gonna use 5 for takeoff, landing 30. You can move to 30 now. Just pull up and move. Release, go up again. No, release first, go down. Okay, so there's a lock here, there's a lock here. You have to release first. Okay, you can go to 5. Release, go up. No, release first and go up like this. 5. Okay, good. That's the flaps. This is the primary flight display in front. Speed of the aircraft. The faster you fly, the more number it shows. The height of the aircraft. Today we're gonna fly about 3,000 feet. This is the altitude indicator. Blue means sky, brown means ground. The square here is the nose of the aircraft. You pull this back, nose goes up. You push it down, nose go down. You turn left, this go down, this go up. That's how you know the altitude of the aircraft. We're gonna use this a lot today. This is the navigation display, like a GPS. Triangle is our aircraft. 2 line here is the runway that you're gonna take off. The pink line here is something I use this to tell you where to go. Okay, you see the heading. So let's say it's on the left, you turn left. Okay. This is the engine display. Okay, obviously the N1 indicators. This is the fuel tank, center tank, left wing tank, right wing tank. So we have about 9,000 kilograms of fuel. Here we have the mode control panel, or in other words the MCP. In other words, is the autopilot. You put the speed, heading, direction, altitude, height, it will fly for you. So today, the first takeoff and landing we're going to use manually. The second one we're going to just learn about this a bit. Okay, so any questions? Okay, so Captain, takeoff procedures very easy. You can advance this thrust to my hand. That's about 40%. Once the engine stabilizes, you press this little button here. When you do that, the takeoff thrust will be given automatically. Just use your legs. Okay, tap gently, left a bit, right a bit. Okay, both legs. Okay, you don't need to press so much. You just press a bit only. Okay, we use this to control on the ground. Okay, and once I say rotate, means we're already on takeoff speed. You're gonna pull this back. Okay, and hold it here. The square here will slowly rise up to the sky. When it reaches this 15-degree line, just release it. Okay, the aircraft will stay there, and I'll tell you what to do next. All right, ready, Captain? You can on the landing lights, Captain, push it forward. Yep, all the way forward. That one as well. Okay, this is basically the landing lights. Strobe lights, pull it backward. This is the blinking, that one. Yep. When you pull that back, the wings blinking lights start to shine. The tower can see us that we're gonna start takeoff. Okay, fasten seatbelt sign on. Forward. Okay, so that the passenger will put the seatbelts on. Parking brake. Push it forward. Okay, and the parking brake is released. Okay, you can advance the thrust to my hand and look forward. Okay, that's enough. Now the aircraft will start to move. Press this little button and just release the thrust. It will move automatically. Just look forward and concentrate and maintain the direction using your legs gently. Okay, 80 knots. Almost at takeoff speed. And Captain, V1 and rotate, pull. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. Keep pulling. Okay, and hold it there. Okay. Rise up to the sky, look at the screen, and release the controls. Fully release it. Okay, very good. We are flying now. Captain, we're gonna put the landing gears up, pull and up. Pull down. Okay, all the way up. Okay, this is the landing gears, which is the wheels. We keep it. We're gonna set the speed now, Captain. You can remove your legs. We're not gonna use the legs anymore. Can you press speed over here? And twist it to 230. So that's the auto thrust. When you put that, the thrust levers move automatically to maintain the speed. Flaps to number 1. Okay, we are climbing to 3000, passing 2200. Can you remove the flaps to 0? Release it. Go up. Now release it. Go up. Okay, good. Coming up to 3000. Can you push the nose to here? Push. No, push. Okay, and that's it. Release it. Very good. That's we call the straight and level attitude. So basically, you put the nose somewhere between these two lines. You'll be maintaining the height and also the speed. Okay, so that's KL over there. We're gonna turn right now, Captain. Can you see the pink line? We're gonna turn to the opposite heading, so you can start turn now. Okay, you can look outside. When you start to turn, the aircraft seems to like going down. Okay, what you have to do, you have to counter it back by pulling backward. Okay, very good. Inside here, the indication is on the second line. Okay. Okay, that's much better. Okay, reduce your bank slightly, just slightly. Okay, pull back a bit. Yep. Pull back. Okay, pull back a bit. Yep, that's good. Turning back to the pink line. Okay, almost coming up to the pink line. Just keep churning. So far, so good. Okay, now slowly turn to the opposite. Left side. Yep. Keep churning. And the same time, push just a bit. A bit more. A bit more. And bring back the nose between the two lines. Yep. Very good. That's the airport that you just took off from, Kuala. Okay, we're gonna go straight and we're gonna come back for the landing. Okay, so this is the runway. So first of all, Captain, we're gonna descend to 2000 feet in order for us to make the approach. Can you set here 2000? Okay. Okay, when you do that, the height shows you here. But the aircraft now gonna descend. You have to reduce the speed, 200. Okay. You have to push the nose to the horizon. And release it. And you already begin your descent. It's the airport. Okay, we're gonna go straight. So almost at 2000 feet. Now slowly raise the nose to second line. Now. To raise now. Very good. So basically we are at 2000 feet. We're just gonna give some space here and then we're gonna turn back like this. Okay. So try to go to the left slightly. Okay, we're gonna slow down the aircraft now. Can you put the flaps to number 1? Alright, So the captain, the first takeoff, the first landing will be a touch and go, which means we're just gonna touch and then straight away take off. All right. So how to do that? The aircraft gonna tell you the height above ground. They're gonna tell you 100, 50, 40, 30. So when you hear 50, I want you to pull the thrust levers. It will be here. Pull all the way back. Pull this a bit. Okay, the nose goes up, and then you land. Once you landed, captain, you're gonna push this forward. When I say rotate, you pull back and we take off again. Okay, so only 3 things to do. 50, 1, 2, landed, 3. Okay. So try to go back to the right slightly. The wind is pushing you. Okay, set back. Okay, pull back a bit. Okay, make sure your nose is on the second line. Okay. Alright, so our distance between the airport is about 6 miles. Okay, we're gonna wait about 7.5, then we're gonna start turn. Okay, captain, we're gonna reduce the speed more, 180. Put the flaps number 5. So about 7.5 now, you can start turn to the right. Okay, this curving line telling you where you're gonna be after 30 seconds. This is just nice. Pull back a bit. You'll see the runway shortly. Turn shallower a bit. The runway is over there. Okay. Keep turning, very good. Okay, now slowly turn to the left. Alright, captain, for preparation for landing, we're gonna put the landing gears down. Gonna put it down. Pull. Okay, so can you see the runway? Okay, we're gonna make the final adjustments shortly. Reduce the speed 150. Flaps 15. Okay, very good. So, slowly turn to the right. You see the runway, right? Okay, slowly. Left now. Okay. That's it. Very good. So, captain, just wait. In a while, we're gonna put the flaps 30. Okay. When we are slightly nearer, we are about 5 miles. Okay, that's the 1000 call. You will listen to 50. 1, 2, landed, 3. Okay, so be prepared. Just look forward and make your adjustment for the wind. Okay, so it might push you left and right. For now, it seems good. Slightly nose up so that you don't descend fast. Okay. 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 Okay, it's about 2 miles. Okay, go right a bit, Captain. Just a bit, yeah, just a bit. Okay, so far so good. Can you put flaps 30? Okay, we are committed to land now. Sweet. Okay, now nose down a bit. Okay, can you see the runway? Okay, one hand over here, Captain. Hold it. Okay. Okay, so just listen to the voice. Go right a bit. A bit only, yes. It's a bit of power. Okay, left a bit.
Approaching minimums.
Okay. Okay, just look forward. Okay, now reduce power a bit. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now listen to the voice. Almost 100. Go right a bit. Okay. 50. Pull. All the way back.
30.
Okay, now pull this a bit. Just a bit.
10.
Perfect. Just release it. Okay. Push this to my hand. Okay. Just push it more. A bit more. Okay, that's enough. Now look forward. When I say rotate, you're gonna rotate, okay? Okay, Captain, V1, and rotate. Pull. Pull, 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 pull. Keep pulling. Hold it there. Okay, look at the nose, look at the screen, and release it. First thing, Captain, we're gonna put the landing gears up. Pull down, all the way up. Okay, we're gonna arm the autopilot. Can you press this button? We're gonna set the speed for the aircraft. Press this up, this one. Up, 230 knots. So we're setting the speed for the aircraft now. Okay, very good. So the aircraft is climbing itself. At this heading that you choose the height at this rate of climb. We're gonna remove the flaps to number 1. Okay, it's 2000 feet now. Okay, flaps to 0. Okay. So Captain, now we're gonna turn to the opposite side, which is 146 heading. Okay, you wanna turn left or right? Up to you. Yes, turn left to 146 using this. So you can just keep turning to 146. Do you want to fly at night time? Okay. Okay, 146, that's the opposite heading. Do you see these two blinking, these white buttons in front? Turning anti-clockwise, both? Yeah, turning anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, this way. Yep, fully. Just keep turning it. And yep, just keep turning it. We're gonna reduce the light, this way. And we are at night time. We can off these two lights, the landing lights, yep, off it, pull it back, pull it back. Okay. So we are flying just this heading, okay, 3000 feet at this speed. Alright, so shortly we're gonna descend and then we're gonna land the plane. So the landing still you have to do yourself, the airplane cannot land itself. So we will do it, I will teach you how to do it. That's the airport over there. That's the highway actually, the yellow lights, yep. Say again? Yeah, exactly. Alright, Captain, first of all we're gonna do the approach. So we're gonna descend to 2000. Can you set here 2000? Okay, you have to press level change here. When you do that, the aircraft gonna start descend now. Okay, to 2000. Okay, Captain, so during the descent, we can actually prepare the aircraft for landing. So since it's going to be a last landing, we're going to stop the aircraft on the runway and we're going to shut down the engines, okay? So how to do that? You're going to put the auto brakes to number 3. Okay, the brakes will engage automatically during landing. Speed brake, just pull up and put it here. That's it. Speed brake is armed over here, alright? So once you land, the speed brake will automatically come up. Okay, so the aircraft is still descending to 2,000 feet. Okay, any questions? Normally we will put the landing gear over here, which is about 8 miles from the runway. So you can always put it earlier to reduce the speed as well, because it's a very good drag. But normal procedure is about 8 miles. Okay, Captain, we're already at 2,000 feet. We're gonna reduce the speed of the aircraft to 200. Yep, that one. Flaps to number 1. This is a good drag. It will drag you down. Okay. Shortly, we're gonna turn to this heading. This is about 050. Okay. So later you will turn left to 050. Just wait, not now, because we want to give some space here so that we don't hand up too high for the approach. So after turning, we're gonna arm the approach mode. Approach mode means the autopilot will follow a radio signal from the runway. The radio signal frequency is this one. I already changed for you. So when it locked on, it will descend and align with the runway automatically. Once it's done, we're gonna off the autopilot. You're gonna land yourself. So how to land, Captain? 50 feet. You're gonna idle, pull back, land it. You're gonna put the reverse thrust on. Okay. So 1, 2, landed, 3. All right. So can you reduce the speed more? 180. Flaps 5. Okay, and we can start turn 2, heading 050 to the left. Okay, the aircraft is turning. Alright, Captain, we got a master caution saying it's fuel finished. Okay, the center tank fuel is finished. We're gonna off the pump, this one. Can you pull this and back? Yeah, pull and back. Okay, the other one as well. Okay, we off the center tank fuel pumps. Okay, can you press approach mode now? Okay, the aircraft gonna turn automatically, finding the runway. Okay, you can just put the pink line parallel with the runway, so you can just twist this to 326. Yeah, you can just turn left, keep turning. So 326. 326. So just keep turning. Yep, 326. So that the line will be parallel with the runway. Okay, that's the airport over there. Okay. Yep, let the plane go there first. Okay, about 8 miles now, you can put the landing gears down. Okay, Captain, we can reduce the speed further. 150, that one, yep. Flaps 15. On the landing lights. Go forward, forward, yep. Alright. So the aircraft will shortly descend automatically. Just wait. Gonna off the auto thrust, press these 2 buttons. Okay, that's it, just release it. Okay. Just increase a bit thrust. Okay, the aircraft will start to descend. Captain, can you put the flaps 30 now? Yep. So everything is set. Okay, just wait. Wait the aircraft stabilize. Okay, hold one hand here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna off the autopilot by pressing this little button over on the controls here. Okay. Okay, you have control. You have to adjust for the wind and everything. Okay. Slightly to the left, Captain. Okay, that's enough. To the right a bit.
1,000.
Okay, that's 1,000 feet. Left a bit. Right a bit. Okay, so far so good.
500.
500. Right a bit. Just a bit. Make the wings level. That's enough. Almost there.
Approaching minimums.
Right a bit. Okay, and that's enough.
Minimums.
Okay, just listen to the voice. 100.
50.
50, pull back.
30.
All the way back.
20.
And pull this.
10.
Pull this. Okay, very good, Captain. Now pull this, reverse thrust. And just use your legs slightly to control the headings. Okay, left a bit. Left. Just a bit, just a bit. Yeah, very sensitive. Let the plane slow down. Okay, Captain, can you close this? Congratulations, that was your good landing in KL. Alright, so we're gonna go out from the runway now, Captain, and shut down the engines. Can you close these spoilers for me? Okay, we're gonna use this now. This one over here. That's the nose wheel steering. When you go down, means it goes left. Up is right, okay? So we're gonna go out from the runway using this green light. This one, okay? Not the front one, this one. You see here? There's an exit. Yep. So I'm gonna increase power for you a bit only, and you can slowly turn. Turn. Yep, keep turning. So off the lights. Keep turning. Okay, just keep turning and then we go straight, okay? Keep turning and then go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Okay, can you see this right hand? This green light, okay? You're gonna turn right and go in, okay? Just wait. Okay, now slowly turn right. Turning. Keep turning right. And now this green light, we're gonna go left, okay? Turn left. Turn left, keep turning left. We're gonna go to that gate, okay? So you can go straight. You can go straight using this green light. You see there's a green light? This one, not this one, that one, yeah. Go straight. Go to the gate over there. Okay, when you are near, we're gonna stop the aircraft. So how to stop the aircraft? There's a parking brake here. You're gonna pull this back when I say, okay? You can just hold it. Okay, now just go straight. Okay, go right a bit. Okay. Go right a bit. Okay. Right a bit. Okay, go right a bit. Just go right a bit. And now we're gonna stop the aircraft. Yep, very good. So now, Captain, we're gonna stop the engine. So how to do that? We're gonna connect the electricity to the APU behind. That's the auxiliary power unit. Can you on this by pulling and forward? This one as well. This is the fuel lever for the engines. Pull and all the way down. You just shut down both engines. No, you already off that. No. I mean the engine is already shut down. Okay. Strobe lights to push it forward. Close the strobe lights. Anti-collision to off. And the baggage handler will come and take up baggage when this light is off. Okay. Passengers can release the fasten seatbelts. And congratulations, that was a nice flight. Yeah, sure, no problem. You can on the lights first, Captain. Yeah, the front one. The one that you, yeah, clockwise. Fully clockwise, yeah. The front one